If you want to take your makeout session to the next level, here are a few simple tricks you can try for turning your guy on. When you start making out with a guy, start out slow and gentle, then gradually increase the intensity. For instance, you might begin with a few light kisses on the lips, then move on to French kissing. You can also get creative and move beyond just kissing on the mouth. Try kissing his neck, jaw, or ears. Don't be afraid to use your tongue a little, or even try lightly nibbling his skin with your teeth. A little teasing can be a big turn on for a lot of guys, too. For instance, you might brush his lips lightly like you're going in for a kiss, then pause or pull away for a moment instead. A really hot makeout session involves more than just kissing, so get the rest of your body involved too. For instance, try caressing his face or slowly running your hands over his arms, back, or shoulders while you kiss. You can also get him going by pushing your body up close against his, climbing onto his lap, or wrapping your legs around him. Whatever you decide to try, pay attention to how your man reacts. If you notice him blushing, breathing more heavily, or leaning into your touch, he's probably turned on. Make a note of what he likes and try doing more of the same, or ramping up the intensity. If you're not sure whether he likes something, just ask. Say something like, "Is that good?" Or, "You want me to keep doing that?" You can also ask him if there's anything he'd like you to do. Don't worry if it takes a while to figure out what really gets him going. Have fun exploring and figure out what works for both of you.